In this short video, I'm posing a problem to intermediate or college algebra students, and the problem is to simply find the real solutions to the given equation. So I've got 2x to the 10th plus 11x to the 8th plus 4x to the 6th plus 22x to the 4th is equal to a negative 2x squared. So again, I'm asking you to find the real solutions to this particular equation, and you should be able to solve it by inspection just by using some basic algebra and a little bit of common sense. Remember, I'm asking for the real solutions. So the degree of this equation is 10. Okay, it's a polynomial equation. Its degree 10 because the highest degree term has an exponent of 10. So the theory tells us that we can expect at most 10 distinct solutions. Okay, at most 10. We can have some that are repeated, but we can have at most 10. Okay, so you can pause the video and look at this. I'll give you the answer in a little bit. And then as a little hint, I'll simply rewrite the equation and transform it by adding 2x squared to both sides and look at it in this form. Okay, hopefully you have an answer for it. But here's what you can look at. You look at every term of the equation, and all the terms are positive. They have positive coefficients. All the variables have even powers: 10, 8, 6, 4, 2. So it doesn't matter what value x is, whether it's positive or negative, because of the even power, you're never going to get any negative value. Okay. Every term is either going to be positive or 0. Right? They all have an x. So if you replace the x by 0, every term is 0. So I have 0 on the left side, 0 on the right side. And that's the only possibility you can have. Okay? 0 is the only solution to this equation. Because if you plug in positive numbers in for x or negative numbers in for x, because of the even power, the left side is never going to be 0. Okay? Unless x is 0. And that's the only value. Okay? Because remember, we're asking for real solutions. And actually, because I can factor out an x squared, this actually has a repeated solution of 0. So, repeated solution of 0. And then there's 8 other solutions that are imaginary or complex. But in this case, we're asking for the real solutions. So there's only one. X equals 0. And of course it's repeated. But x equals 0 is the only real solution. Thanks for watching.